Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best of the best in home decor. Today, we're diving into a delightful find that brings the charm of autumn right into your living space. If you're searching for the perfect acorn decorations, look no further. The Claeys 120 PCs artificial acorns are here to transform your seasonal decor into something truly special. Now, when it comes to seasonal decorations, nothing says fall quite like acorns. They evoke feelings of warmth and nostalgia, making them a staple in autumn and winter decor. But what if you could have the beauty of acorns without the hassle of cleanup or decay? That's where the Claeys artificial acorns come into play. Each set includes 120 pieces, with a lovely combination of light brown and dark brown acorns. Whether you choose to display them together or mix them up, these acorns provide versatile decoration options for various occasions, including Thanksgiving, Christmas, or simply to liven up your home during the cooler months. Let's talk about what makes these acorns stand out. The first thing you'll notice is their realistic design. Made from foam and plastic, these artificial acorns are designed to closely mimic the appearance and size of real acorns, creating a lifelike visual that can fool even the keenest observer. The careful craftsmanship ensures that they look just like the real thing, with two different color tones that capture the natural beauty of acorns. Durability is another significant advantage of these decorations. Unlike real acorns that may rot or decay, these artificial versions are made to last, allowing you to use them year after year without worry. They are also easy to clean, ensuring that you can maintain their charm effortlessly. Now, let's discuss how you can use these charming acorns in your decor. They are incredibly versatile and perfect for a range of settings. Imagine placing them in decorative bowls, filling vases, or using them as part of a centerpiece for your dining table. They can also be incorporated into DIY crafts, autumn-themed arrangements, or even holiday decorations. Picture them as part of a beautiful autumn display, alongside pumpkins and colorful leaves, or as a charming addition to your holiday decor. The possibilities are endless, and they truly elevate the aesthetic of any space. An added bonus is that these acorns are eco-friendly. With a composition that includes natural materials, you can decorate your home with peace of mind, knowing that you're making a sustainable choice for your decor. They are non-toxic and tasteless, so they are safe to use in any environment, making them perfect for homes with children or pets. In conclusion, if you're looking to enhance your home decor this season, the Claeys 120 PCs artificial acorns are a fantastic choice. They provide the perfect blend of beauty, durability, and versatility, making them the best acorn decorations on the market. So whether you're preparing for a festive gathering or just want to enjoy the beauty of autumn at home, these artificial acorns will not disappoint. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the best products out there. Happy decorating!